Well, hello, beautiful friends. My name is Lynette, and I garden here in Circleville, Ohio. My best friend from middle school and I, her name is Nikki. We have this little garden channel. Today I want to take you through a process. It's been about a month-long process of getting our porch around the corner rehabbed. The problem we were having was one of our poles was sinking into the ground, and it was causing all of our porch to then sink. So we had to get it all, back up and, sound structurally. And I thought it would be a neat thing to take you guys through and see all the work we have done on our porch. So come join us today for our new porch. It's really pretty, so you got to watch the end. Thanks, guys. Here are our columns. They are 180 years old. I'm pretty impressed with how they've held up. Might be a good chance for me to sand them down real good and get a new fresh coat of paint all around them, because when I painted them previously, one was up against the wall, and you can see I could barely get to that part. So this is the part down here that I'm a little worried about. There is some rot here, but maybe they can cut some of it off and make the pedestal that they're going to go back on a little bigger. We shall see. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what I came home to after the porch guys got here this morning. And I was not under the impression that all of this was happening, but they had to remove the columns. What's happening is our roof at the top toward the left here is sinking into the ground. So what was holding it up were these bricks, and now what will be holding it up hopefully will be concrete pylons. And it's really exciting. I hope my ivy makes it though. I'm nervous about that. But it's making me very excited to think about what can be now. And I can do fresh coats of paint on the screen door. We're gonna get brand new deck boarding put down. And yeah, this is kind of exciting, you guys. I wanted to give you a quick update on the porch. So they took the railing down and rebuilt it. They re-sent the bricks to be level, and they made brand new column post brackets. I'm gonna paint everything a cream color, and now our roof is level. I'm gonna paint the floorboards the brown trim color, and then all the railings will be the cream. This has been going on for a couple weeks now, and I want to take you guys along. It's not like the prettiest video, and I'm not looking the prettiest. It's real life. We're painting today. My son's shirt on, and I thought it was cute because it does have flowers on it. Did a fresh coat of black Rust-Oleum paint on our railings. Very tedious. It's really noisy out here, but I wanted to show you. I'm giving my bench and my rose arbor a fresh paint of green paint. It's finally coming back together. Gave the door, the screen door, a nice fresh coat of paint as well. Painted my bench because it's on its last leg, and I think this might be the last year for it. Thank you guys for joining us for our front porch rehab project. It was funny, you know, you spend a whole lot of money to make this porch look exactly the way it was. So it's more of a restoration project than anything. And that's what we're trying to do with this old house built in 1842. So you guys, thank you so much for joining us through the process, and go find something to paint, or go paint your front porch or your door, and go find your passion today. Thank you guys. Subscribe.